Now that your wallet is all set up, let's show you how to send some crypto.
The first thing we're going to do is go to receive and select the token you want. Double check that you picked the right one because we don't want any mistakes. Then you're going to have two options to either scan the QR code or copy and paste the address to send funds from another wallet. Make sure the address you copied matches the one your OKX wallet gave you. If it does, you're good to go. Hit send from the other wallet and watch your crypto take flight. It might take a few minutes for the transaction to show up, but don't worry. Just go back to the home screen, tap on the crypto you're receiving, and check on the transaction status. Once it says completed, you're officially a crypto pro. With your funded wallet, you can now trade crypto, create your own NFTs in the NFT marketplace, or jump into decentralized finance by exploring the dApp section. And that's just the beginning. The possibilities on OKX are endless. Make sure to go to the App Store and download the OKX app today.